Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. Now I have one microphone here with me in the cabin and one on the outside of the car, so it may get a little loud. Just trying to get a good audio clip of what it's like driving the car and what it sounds like outside. I got the top down. Such a cool car. Super excited to drive it. Suspension feels awesome. The AC is nice and cold. Shifts good, and I am really amazed at the suspension on this. It is very smooth. I feel like I'm in a really luxurious car. The cabin is nice and quiet as far as like rattles go. I don't hear a bunch of creaks or anything like that. Suspension feels good, like I said. Steering's nice and straight. The steering wheel doesn't have any type of wobble to it. While the car is not fast by any means, it does sound good. It has a nice little growl to it. Driving this, I'm actually really surprised. It's really, really fun. Beautiful car. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, got a couple little scuffs on the edge here. A couple small ones there. I think that's just from mounting the tires. Doesn't look like any rash, it's smooth. That wheel looks amazing. Got a couple rock chips here, small one there. A couple really minor ones. Have a little bit of rash here. Otherwise, that looks nice. Looking at the headlights, you have some very minor kind of spider cracking in there, if you can see that. But the lens itself is nice and clear. Got a little scratch here. The upper section looks nice. All of that looks good. Got a chip right there. The pinstriping, this is all painted on. That paint is beautiful though. Here on the side mirror, two little chips there, one right there. That edge feels clean. Got a chip right there. Looks like it's been touched up. Now this plastic has sustained some little rock impacts, but otherwise, that looks really good. You see a couple chips down the side just from the rocks kind of flinging on it. Really light scuff there and there. The taillight looks good. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. That chrome is definitely nice. Face of it's beautiful. You can look back in the barrel. You're gonna have some minor pitting in some spots. Otherwise though, looks good. This side looks phenomenal in my opinion. Very clean. And then looking at the front end, let's start here on the left side. That plastic looks good. Really clean. You're gonna have a couple rock impacts every once in a while. You can see those kind of peppered here. Otherwise, that looks good. Now we do have a little bit of rash under here. Still very clean. This plastic looks good. A couple tiny little rock impacts every once in a while. This headlight has a little bit of the spider cracking. You gotta get really close to see it. You can see all that looks good. And looking at the hood. Pinstriping looks awesome. Got the original windshield. That hood looks good. All right, checking out the engine bay. Looking in here. Looks awesome. And the engine bay is really clean. See, the underhood liner looks good. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Looking at that door panel, the upper section looks awesome. We do have a little crack on that plastic right here. Those buttons look good. That lower section's nice and clean. See, the kick plate area looks awesome. Then looking at these seats, very minor wear here. A little bit of wear on the edge from the seatbelt kind of rubbing on it. The rest of that seat looks really good though. Those buttons are perfect. Same with those ones. That gauge looks good. This side of the dash is clean. Upper section looks good. Got the Kenwood. That pinstriping looks awesome. Kind of scanning this trunk, looking for any flaws that stand out. Yeah, it looks amazing. That taillight's clean. That bumper looks good. That one looks awesome as well. Looking at the flare. Super clean. And all of this looks amazing. This thing is just wicked cool. Okay, checking out this side, starting with this wheel. The finish looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. Overall, that front face looks really good. We have a little rock chip right here. And a tiny scratch there. A couple small impacts on that plastic, but otherwise looks good. Handle's nice and clean. Looks like a little chip there. Got a small chip on the door edge here, and the rest looks good. Making our way down that door. Looks nice and pretty. Two small chips there. A little scratch there. That was just a little dirt. Got a tiny chip right here. Little chip there and there. I'm sure there's a couple more here and there, but otherwise it's clean. I don't see any body damage. It's really just a little scuff and a tiny chip here and there. Little one there. The rest of that looks good. And then checking out this wheel, looks nice and pretty. This thing is just super, super clean. Then looking at this door panel, the upper section looks good. Got a tiny crack right there, so it seems to be a common problem with these, I imagine. That trim looks good. Seat looks amazing. Very little wear. Honestly, nothing's really standing out to me. This side of the dash looks good. E-brake handle's clean. Carpets look amazing. And then looking at the upper side of the dash over here, looks nice and clean. I don't see any flaws. This side looks pretty much perfect. And then looking at the top, it is in mint condition. I don't see any flaws on it. It looks amazing.